Hi guys, my name is Alisa and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how I achieve my wing eyeliner. This is the most requested video. I think most of you guys are curious on how I achieved my wing liner. Today I'll be giving you guys a mini tutorial on how I achieved this wing liner that I have been practicing since I was 13. So I think this short tutorial can help any of y'all who are struggling in achieving wing liner. So if you don't know how to do wing liner, keep on watching.
Oh my god, I'm editing this and it's so funny that I kept saying wing liner 1,000 times, so I'm sorry for that.
These are my three favorite eyeliners. The first one would be the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. I like this one because it's cheap and the tip is amazing, but the black is not as bold as I wanted it to be. Next is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is my holy grail. It's bold as hell, but the tip is mad annoying because I'm clumsy. Third one is my least favorite because it's a deep liquid liner. It takes some time to dry off, but the pigmentation is crazy good. I bought this in Primark London for only £1, which is 6 ringgit. And from left is the Primark, and the middle one is the NYX. The right one is the Maybelline. These are my ratings for each eyeliners. First step is to lift up your eye. I prefer using my hand better. Just draw a small stroke at the end of your eye, little by little. After that, connect the stroke from the outer corner to the middle part of your crease. I'm using the NYX Ink Epic Ink Liner. And remember that you have to draw a thin line of eyeliner and make sure it doesn't overlap with your crease because it can appear too thick and messy, so we want to avoid that at all costs. Next, I'm going to fill in my lash line with the same eyeliner. You can use pencil eyeliner if you want, but I suck at that. Yeah, you can see the difference. So I'm going to repeat the same exact step to the other eye like so, and you can see that I messed up a little bit. It got a little too thick there. Looks like it's gonna overlap with my crease. Yep, right there. Ugh, I just hate that. Oh my god, it's super ugly. So as you can see, the outer portion ended up too thick than I would prefer, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it. And that's where the cotton buds and the micellar water comes in handy. I'm using the wet part to fix it off and dry part to wipe the excess off, and then I went over again with different liquid liner. I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner because the tip is a little bit thinner. And then I filled my lash line again. This is how I do my everyday wing liner. Sometimes it takes like 5 minutes. A bit complicated when I'm filming. And this is how I do my lashes. Firstly, I curl my lashes and then prime it with my Dior Shadow Maximizer 3D to lengthen my lashes even better. Yes, it's white, not black, because it's just a primer to lengthen and to, you know, emphasize my lashes even better. Just brush through my lashes like that. And then do the same routine on the other eye. Then I take my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Thanks to Hannah and curl my lashes from the root. I always start from the root and then go up to, you know, give that effect. And then I really like having clumpy lashes. I don't know why. And yep, there you go. A little smooth slow-mo. Yeah, and that's that.
I'm officially the worst YouTuber ever because I couldn't find the clip where I showed the final result. I hate myself, but I have few pictures and I'm gonna post it here. Yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm so sorry, I'm the worst. Bye.
And before I end this video, I just want to thank you guys once again for 1.2 subscribers. That is crazy. And since I promised y'all if we reach 1k subscribers, I'm gonna do a little giveaway and give everything back to you. So I'll be giving one of my lucky subscribers this glossy glow lip oil from Velvet Vanity. I've been using this for quite some time and I really love it. This has been my go-to lip oil since the day I got it, so I just want to give it back to you because you have been supporting me since day one. To enter this giveaway, you have 4 simple steps to follow. The first one is to subscribe to my channel, this channel. Second is to comment down below what is your favorite color. The third one is to share this video on your Insta story and tag me in it. The fourth one is to follow on my Instagram. So that is all 4 simple steps and you might receive this too. This giveaway ends on the 27th July and I will announce the winner on the 28th July, 12:30 p.m. So if you want to join this giveaway and receive these too, make sure to follow the 4 simple steps. That is all. By the way, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this tutorial helped you in some way because I know you guys have been waiting for this tutorial in so long because I've been busy. I'm sorry. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this. And that is all from me today. Bye!
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so